See that turtle? We're gonna befriend that turtle. It's very easy. I'm gonna show you the steps we have to perform in order to befriend the turtle. For step 1, you're gonna need to get the turtle a Coke, specifically a vanilla Coke, not a Diet Coke. Turtles don't have time for your Diet Coke, they got stuff going on. Step 2, you're going to return to the turtle, vanilla Coke in hand, and you're going to sit in front of the turtle and offer him the vanilla Coke as a token of friendship. You're gonna have to give him a minute as he decides whether to accept your friendship, and if he does, he'll give you a tiny indication of happiness with his facial expression. As you can see, he looks pretty happy, so very good. And then step 3, you're going to serenade the turtle with this kazoo. Just play a little song. It goes like this. And there you go. Turtle successfully befriended. Have a good day.